For the final trade of the day, we have the day trader Mike Shorr with us. And Mike, the stock market ripped higher to start the week. What's that like for a day trader?
Yeah, so when we get markets like we have earlier in the week, where and even last week, where you have what looks to be just one-way trade, and that's difficult for a day trader. What do you do? How do you gauge when you don't get pullbacks to support levels, or you don't get support level, or you don't test moving averages? How do you gauge when to get in? And I have a methodology that I put together that works really, really well for these retrace buys that don't normally show up on what I guess many would consider a conventional chart. And I call it my zone entry, and it's a series of EMAs that I use. But let's take example Rivian. Basically, straight up, they outpaced their production numbers, and the stock has been depressed, but they're waiting for numbers like this, and so we see Rivian pull up here. And so what I'm looking for right now, it's trading about 36, but the way that my EMAs, that's exponential moving averages, are lining up, I'm looking for an entry anywhere in that 35.50 to 35.60 range. And then I would be playing that up to about 37 quarter, and then I would probably be considering puts up at the 38 level. So trending markets sometimes are hard for day traders unless you just keep adding on and adding on and adding on, which can work. But also I call it a pull the rug from you, where something looks completely bullish or completely bearish, and then suddenly the buyers come in or the sellers come in, and this gives you a very nice tactical entry.
Thank you, Mike. Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.